everyone watching iJam Miliana's 47. I hope you like the theme song that I put up, and there will be more videos to come. Since Halloween is coming up, I thought I would do Halloween
later this week.
stuff,
I will be uploading a video about how to bake Halloween sugar cookies. We are going to be using glitter gel, ghost cookie cutters, jack-o'-lantern cookie cutters, and candy eyeballs. So stay tuned for this Halloween day.